Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Understanding how summer stress affects your plants and what you can do about it is very important in our desert climate. Even sun-loving plants may burn when exposed to direct sun in temperatures over 110 degrees. Generally, heat stress of a plant will show itself by wilting, which is a sure sign that water is being lost too quickly. If the roots cannot supply water fast enough to replenish what transpires or is lost from the leaves, they will scorch or burn. In some cases, yellowing of the leaves may be seen, or brown spots and drying will occur. Mulch the areas around the plants with a good quality organic mulch like pay dirt to help cool the roots and preserve moisture. If the plant is surrounded by rock, pull back the rock and use bark chips or organic mulch around the plant. The heat reflected from the rock or concrete can significantly add to plant stress. Heat stress of a plant can also be recognized by leaf drop, especially in some trees. Slow, deep irrigation once a week is recommended for established trees. Get the water down deep enough to saturate the entire root ball of the plant. The deeper you get the water, the less it is affected by evaporation and the longer it will stay in the soil. If you shallow water too often and keep the surface of the soil too wet, you will not allow air to get to the roots. Also, this kind of watering does not get to the lower roots of larger shrubs and trees, causing them even more stress. In excessively hot weather, many vegetable crops have difficulty producing. The use of shade covers, especially on vegetable gardens, is very helpful. Container plants will require daily watering if exposed to the full afternoon sun. Moving potted plants to a shadier location during the hot months is recommended. Try to provide some partial shade, especially for younger and more heat-sensitive plants. Check your irrigation system frequently to make sure it is working to help save your plants. Your irrigation system is the most important gardening tool you have for the summer in the desert. Star Nursery is your headquarters for the largest selection of irrigation and sprinkler parts for repairs or installation. For more information on this topic, get our free Star Notes number 135, 620, and 900 A and B at any of our stores or at starnursery.com. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.